Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a membership site with MemberPress easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start building a membership site with MemberPress, first, ensure you have a WordPress website set up. Log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for new plugins. In the search bar, type MemberPress. Locate the MemberPress plugin in the results. Click the Install Now button next to the MemberPress plugin. Once installed, click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After activation, you will find a new menu item labeled MemberPress in the sidebar. Click on MemberPress to access its settings. To configure your basic settings, select Options under the MemberPress menu. Here, you will need to enter your payment methods, including PayPal or Stripe. Fill out the necessary information based on the payment gateway of your choice. Next, set up your pages by clicking on the Pages tab in the MemberPress settings. MemberPress automatically suggests pages for registration, login, and account management. Confirm that these pages are set up or create new ones if necessary. Now, let's create a membership level. Navigate to Memberships in the MemberPress menu. Click on the Add New button to create your first membership level. Enter a title for your membership level, such as Basic or Premium. Provide a description that outlines the benefits of this membership. Set the price for the membership level and select the billing interval. Once filled out, click the Publish button to save your membership level. Next, it's time to define the access rules for your membership. Click on Rules in the MemberPress menu. Select Add New to create a new access rule. Choose the content you want to protect for this membership. Decide which membership level will have access to this content. Save the rule to finalize your settings. Now, let's create a registration form for your membership. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.